In this video, we want to share with you a couple of tricks of how we deep clean the tires on tractors and our combines and trucks around the farm. In this, we take a hand sprayer, and in this, we've got our cleaner mixed at 50-50 with water. So 1 part cleaner to 1 part water. And what we're going to do is just manually spray this on here and let this soak. And at this concentration, our cleaning product becomes a true degreaser. And it has the ability to just suck out all the dirt and grease from the rubber. We're going to visibly see the debris coming out of the rubber. It's going to be turning brown on the concrete here. But whenever we're going to ceramic coat the tire rubber, and we really want a good bond with this rubber, we have to make certain that it's absolutely clean, and this is one of the fastest and easiest ways that we know. There's times when the tires get so dirty that you might want to put a brush to them. Now guys, this is the only time that you're going to see me use a brush anywhere on this tractor is on the rubber. I'm never going to put this on the paint because we all know brushes scratch paint. So if you want to scrub this in for a little stronger action, we can do that. And these tires actually, this tractor is a loader tractor off a little cattle herd here, so we've got a lot of manure and biofilm on these, and just a little bit of scrubbing will help break that down. So at this concentration too, we're going to allow this to sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll just power wash it off as normal. So you can see the results here. We've got a nice matte black finish. These tires really hadn't been washed a whole lot, so it took a couple times to get them down here, but they're going to be close to coating. Hopefully this tip will help you when you're trying to deep clean your tires, or even the back of the tractor where we have hydraulic oil a lot, or sometimes oil around the motor area, that mix in the cleaner 50-50 in a hand sprayer can be used as a true degreaser.